Hello, good day.
Good day, ma'am.
Can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Genevieve Sabala de Divas. I am 40 years old, married, and I have 3 kids, ages 14 years old, 10 years old, and 8 years old.
Okay, how many siblings do you have?
7 siblings, and I have 4 brothers and 3 sisters, and I am the youngest from my family.
Okay, and what is your educational attainment?
College level.
Okay, and how would you describe yourself?
I am honest, trustworthy, hardworking, and obedient.
Okay, and why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I work in Hong Kong to feed my family financially and to save money from my kids to their studies.
Okay, and who will take care of your kids if you come abroad?
My husband and my family.
Okay, please tell me about your working experience.
I have 2 work experience, one in abroad and one here in the Philippines. In abroad, in UAE, I have work experience there for 2 years with a married couple, and they have 5 kids, ages 18, 16, 15, 10, and 8 years old. My job duties there is cooking, cleaning their house, marketing, and taking care of their kids. Here in the Philippines, I have work experience here for 3 years, for 2015 to 2018. To a married couple, they have 2 kids and ages 14 years old and 8 years old. My job duties here is cleaning their house, ironing, cooking, and taking care of their kids.
Okay, in Dubai from what year?
2005 to 2007.
Okay, did you finish all your contracts?
Yes, ma'am. I finished all my contract.
Okay, are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a healthy elderly person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby or children?
Yes, ma'am.
And what will you do if the baby is crying?
If the baby is crying, I will check the diaper. If the diaper is dirty, I will change it. And if the baby is hungry, I will feed them. And I will check the temperature. If the baby is sick, I will call to my employer immediately.
Okay, and what will you do if the children are naughty and not listening to you?
If the children is naughty, I will encourage them to play or sing a song for them. If they are not listening to me, I will patiently talk to them and ask them. If they are not listening to me, their mother and father will be angry.
Okay, and what will you do if you feel homesick?
If I feel homesick, I will do my duties and I will concentrate to my employers and
Okay.
my work.
Okay, do you have the full consent of your parents, husband, family to go work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have family problem, what would you do? Go home or send financial support?
I will send financial support, ma'am.
Okay, are you willing to share room with the children, elderly, or other helpers?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work during your rest day and employer will pay you as overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing? Do you promise not to use your cell phone during your working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to loan from any bank in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know your ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Okay. Do you know how to swim?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Do you smoke and drink alcohol beverage?
No, ma'am.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Do you have your own dogs and cats in your home?
Just a dog, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you have food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Do you need to wear glasses while working?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any surgical operation or any serious sickness before?
No, ma'am.
Are you under any special medication right now?
No, ma'am.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please give a short message for a future employer to hire you.
Hi, Mom and Sir. My name is Genevieve Sabala Dadibas. Please choose me to be your housemaid, and I am much willing to work with your family. And I will be patient. I am hardworking, and I will treat you and your kids as my own family. Good day. Thank you. God bless.